I'm so excited for you to try this spinach basil pesto. It's a great way to add some veggies to your diet, and it's also a great recipe for fresh spinach. A lot of times people use frozen spinach, and to me sometimes that has a little bit different taste than fresh spinach. So today I'm going to take you in the kitchen. We're going to grab some fresh basil, fresh spinach, and we're going to make a really delicious pesto with walnuts that you can use to top any type of pasta you'd like. Let's do it. The only thing you really have to prepare in advance is that you have to toast the walnuts for a few minutes on the stove, and then you're ready to mix all the ingredients together inside the blender or food processor. So blend the spinach basil pesto by adding fresh basil, spinach, toasted walnuts, olive oil, lemon zest and juice, salt, pepper, garlic, and red pepper flakes. It kind of sounds like a lot of ingredients, but it comes together really quickly, and then you just need some water to make it nice and smooth. You just puree the pesto until the ingredients are well combined, and then you're ready to add this on top of anything you'd like. It also makes a really delicious dip for veggies or pita. And this is just a friendly reminder that you don't want to heat up pesto too much. You want to have the pasta heated and then add the cold pesto and not continue cooking it, because then the consistency could become a little bit dry. It's really a thing that is better off fresh. Want to have some fun in your kitchen? Subscribe to the Sip Bite Go channel on YouTube to get my latest recipe videos. I make really fun, delicious, and easy recipes that you're going to love making at home. Subscribe today. Well, I hope you're thoroughly inspired to go ahead and try this spinach basil pasta with walnuts. It really is a delicious gourmet change of pace from traditional basil pesto. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!